Handheld vacuums are compact, portable cleaning devices designed for quick and convenient cleaning tasks, particularly in hard-to-reach areas. They are lightweight and easy to maneuver, making them ideal for cleaning tight spaces, upholstery, car interiors, stairs, and small spills. The importance of handheld vacuums lies in their versatility, time-saving convenience, and ability to tackle localized messes without the need for larger, bulkier equipment. Equipped with powerful suction, they effectively remove dirt, debris, and allergens, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. Their ease of use and portability make them a practical tool for maintaining cleanliness in homes, offices, and vehicles. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 handheld vacuums. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, Fzzcvo VC021 Pro. The 15,000 PA Super Suction Power Vacuum stands out with its powerful 15 kPa suction, driven by a high-speed brushless motor that efficiently tackles sand, pet hair, and debris, leaving seats and sofas looking refreshed. Its Type-C fast charging capability ensures a full charge in just 3.5 to 4 hours, providing up to 30 minutes of runtime in low-speed mode. Designed to be ultra-lightweight at just 0.8 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver with one hand, making it a perfect fit for quick cleanups. The 4-in-1 versatility is impressive, allowing not only for vacuuming but also blowing, pumping, and inflating tasks, ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach car corners, keyboards, or even inflating sports equipment. The addition of washable HEPA filters ensures long-lasting performance by keeping dust at bay and maintaining optimal suction power. Compact yet powerful, it's a practical tool for car, home, or office use, and even serves as a great alternative to traditional compressed air cans. Here is the item number 4, Upos LT115B. This powerful suction handheld vacuum cleaner truly stands out with its impressive high-speed DC motor, delivering up to 90 W of power and dual suction settings, the first gear at 7,000 PA and the second gear at 10,000 PA, to tackle various cleaning tasks effortlessly. Its washable and reusable double HEPA filters ensure 99.99% dust filtration, making it ideal for removing pet hair, crumbs, and other debris while being both eco-friendly and cost-efficient. With a low noise level of less than 75 dB, it offers a quiet operation that won't disturb anyone at home or frighten pets. The ultra-lightweight and ergonomic cordless design allows for easy, one-hand operation, making it perfect for use in the home, car, or office. Plus, the compact size and 0.3 L dust capacity make it highly portable and space-saving. Its versatile 4-in-1 accessories, including a pull-out crevice tool and brush attachments, cater to a range of cleaning needs, from delicate surfaces like keyboards to hard-to-reach corners. With a convenient charging dock, it takes just 3.5 to 4 hours for a full charge, offering 30 minutes of runtime on the first gear and 20 minutes on the second gear, making it a reliable companion for quick and efficient cleaning sessions. The item number 3, Drecell VC021. The handheld vacuum cordless is a game-changer for quick and easy cleaning, weighing only 1.2 pounds equivalent to a bottle of water. Its ergonomic, anti-slip handle offers a comfortable grip, making it effortless to use with one hand. Thanks to its brushless motor, this compact vacuum delivers a powerful 14,000 pascal suction for efficiently tackling dust, pet hair, crumbs, and larger debris. Its versatility shines through with 2 suction modes, catering to both standard and deep cleaning needs. The vacuum is designed for on-the-go convenience with a USB-C charging port that enables fast charging in just 3.5 to 4 hours and provides a solid 25 to 30 minutes of runtime on eco mode. The 2-in-1 tool with a crevice nozzle and brush attachment effortlessly reaches tight corners and surfaces, while the built-in LED light ensures no speck of dust is left behind, even in dark spaces. This portable vacuum runs quietly at just less than or equal to 65 dB, thanks to its noise reduction system, making it perfect for cleaning without disturbing anyone. Additionally, it includes 2 washable filters, enhancing its longevity and efficiency. Number 2 in our list, Black+Decker HHVK415B01. The Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus cordless vacuum is a game-changer for anyone looking to tackle household or car messes with minimal effort. With up to 4x more suction power than other leading hand vacuums, it effortlessly lifts stubborn debris from multiple surfaces. Its extra-long crevice tool makes it perfect for reaching tight spaces and awkward spots like under furniture or high shelves. This vacuum is designed for convenience, featuring a one-touch, easy empty XL dustbin, allowing for contact-free disposal, meaning less hassle and less mess. The versatility of 2 speeds, including a power boost mode, provides an instant surge of power when needed, ensuring even tough messes are handled quickly. From crumbs to pet hair, the Advanced Clean Plus is built to handle it all while reducing the need for frequent emptying. It's a powerful yet easy-to-use solution for keeping any space spotless. The top one in our list, Black+Decker BDH2000PL. Powered by a 20V max lithium-ion battery, it offers robust suction and superior performance, making it perfect for tackling both everyday messes and deep cleaning tasks. Its cordless convenience ensures a hassle-free experience, allowing it to be easily carried around the home or used in a vehicle. One of its standout features is the pivoting wide-mouth nozzle, which efficiently handles narrow spaces and large debris with ease. Additionally, the built-in accessories, like the flip-up brush and extendable crevice tool, provide versatility for various cleaning needs. The cyclonic action technology keeps the filter clean, ensuring consistent power, while the translucent easy-to-empty bowl simplifies the cleanup process. Plus, the washable filter ensures longevity and cost savings over time. This handheld vacuum is a game-changer for anyone seeking a powerful, portable, and efficient cleaning solution. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best handheld vacuums amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.